Previously on Tangential Thoughts Chat Show and Cigar Talk Podcast.
Oh yeah, do your
about
shit.
Chelsea boots.
Do your shit. Oh yeah,
We fuck
do your
with
shit.
these because these
Do
shits
your
look like
shit.
horses.
Oh yeah, bust your wrist. Do your big one. Boss your bitch. Oh yeah, my little shit. Fine shit. Pop your shit. Oh yeah, AP lit. Water wrist. Oh yeah, froze kick. Rose wrist. Oh yeah, do your shit. Do your shit. Oh yeah, do your shit. Do your shit. Oh yeah, a million on coochie. Whoa.
But sometimes you
Keep
gotta
it
let people know
exclusive.
that you about business.
Too many.
So, after me and Tony finished talking about the Chelsea boots, I said, Tony, what you think about this vest? He looked at it. Tony said, I don't know. It looked young. I said, what you mean? It's too small. I don't know. I said, damn, bro. So, we walked into the Ralph Lauren Polo store. We told Ralph we need to talk to Lauren personally. I said, this vest is too young for me. So what you got for me? Ralph went to the back. Lauren came back out with a vest. I said, Ralph, let's talk business. I fuck with it. How much is it? Ralph said $1,900. I looked at Tony, Tony looked at me. Now, Tony didn't have to use his words, but I knew what he meant. He said, we gotta go fuck with the Tommy. So we gotta have a conversation with Tommy. I looked at Tommy. I said, Tommy, how much is this? Tommy said $1,200. I said, I fuck with it. Just give me this shit in all black. I mean business. I know the boxes say KFC, but we got some motherfucking Bo Berry biscuits, bitch.